Your lawnmower's handle is made up of two pieces, the upper and lower sections. The lower handle is attached to the mower's deck, and the upper handle attaches to it. Over time, the handle can fatigue and eventually break. Replacing the lower handle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by loosening the rope guide nut so I can remove the rope from the handle. Now I'll remove the control handle and the control cable. I'll remove the control cable from the handle. Next, I'll remove the control handle. I squeeze it together and pull it away from the handle. And now I'll remove the control cable. I twist it and pull it out of the handle. Now I can remove the upper handle from the lower. It's secured with a nut and bolt on either side. To access the bolts that secure the lower handle, I'll need to remove the rear wheels. I'll prop the mower up on a piece of 2x4 and use a wrench and impact driver to remove the wheels. Now I have access to the fasteners that secure the handle, and I'll go ahead and remove them. Now I can install the new lower handle. I'll align it with the deck and secure it with the bolts and nuts. Now I can reinstall the wheels. Now I can reinstall the upper handle. I'll line the holes in the upper and lower handle, and then insert the bolt. I'll thread the nuts into place. And secure them with the impact. And now I can reinstall the control handle and cable. I'll install a new cable tie to secure the control cable to the lower handle. And I'll finish by reinstalling the rope into the rope guide and securing it into place. And that's all it takes to install a new lower handle on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.